Hello, Room 50. Yes, it's me, Mr. Bishop. Welcome to my flipped classroom lesson on possessive nouns. By the end of this lesson, it is my goal that each of you will be able to identify and correctly use possessive nouns in sentences that you write. Firstly, I would like to introduce everyone to the possessive apostrophe. The apostrophe is a punctuation mark that we always use in possessive nouns. So, what is a possessive noun? A possessive noun tells us who or what owns something. Think of everything that you own at home. For example, your toys at home, your bicycle, maybe you own a tablet at home. Again, these are all items that belong to you, meaning that you own them. To start, we will discuss the types of possessive nouns. First, we have a singular possessive noun. Remember, boys and girls, a singular noun, we are talking about a single person, place, or thing. To make a singular noun possessive, simply add an apostrophe S. For example, in the name Amanda, simply add an apostrophe S to show that she owns her scarf. In the word man, add an apostrophe S to show that the man owns a coat. So then it becomes man's coat. In the word dog, add an apostrophe S to show that the bowl belongs to the dog. Then it becomes the dog's bowl. Please listen carefully on the next one. We have the word Chris. Notice how the name Chris ends in S. If a noun ends in S, you may do one of two things. You can add an apostrophe after the S, or you may add an apostrophe S. So it is Chris's boots. Either one of these rules is okay to use, only when the noun ends in S. Next, we have plural possessive nouns. Remember, in a plural noun, we are discussing more than one person, place, or thing. For possessive nouns, add an apostrophe to a regular plural noun that ends in S. If the plural noun does not end in S, add an apostrophe S. Let's take a look at a few examples. The plural noun children becomes children's with an apostrophe S to show that the scarves belong to the children. The plural noun ducks becomes ducks with an apostrophe after the S to show that the pond belongs to the ducks. Remember, in this example, the plural noun ends in S, so we added the apostrophe after the S. The plural noun geese becomes geese's with an apostrophe S to show that the food belongs to the geese. The plural noun teachers becomes teachers with an apostrophe after the S to show that the computers belong to the teachers. We added an apostrophe after the S because the plural noun teachers ended in S. Okay guys, let's take everything we just learned and put it to practice. Please get out a scrap piece of paper out at this time so that you can quiz yourself. The first thing that you'll do is write down the possessive noun in each sentence. Next, you will insert the apostrophe in the correct location. At the conclusion of this video, I would like you to write down your final score and let me know how you did. Sentence number 1. The lion's baby was born yesterday. Find the possessive noun in this sentence and then insert the apostrophe in its correct location. Please pause the video at this time so that you can do that. The correct answer is the apostrophe goes before the S. It goes before the S because the baby belongs to one lion. Sentence number 2. The 2 remote's buttons were broken. Please pause the video at this time so you can insert the apostrophe on the correct possessive noun. The apostrophe goes after the S in the word remotes. Since there are more than one remote, the apostrophe goes after the S. Sentence number 3. Mr. Bishop's class studies very hard. Please pause the video at this time so you can insert the possessive noun, so you can insert the apostrophe in the correct possessive noun. The correct answer, the apostrophe goes before the S in Mr. Bishop. Mr. Bishop is just one person, so his class belongs to him. Sentence number 4. My brothers' names are Billy, Joey, and Jackson. Please pause the video at this time to find the correct possessive noun and insert the apostrophe. The possessive noun in the next sentence is brothers, and the apostrophe goes after the S because there are more than one brother. Sentence number 5. All the trees' branches in the forest were waving in the wind. Please pause the video at this time so you can find the possessive noun and insert its apostrophe correctly. The correct answer is the possessive noun is tree, and the apostrophe goes after the S because there are more than one tree. Sentence number 6. One of the wagon's wheels fell off. Please pause the video at this time so you can find the possessive noun and insert its apostrophe. The correct answer is the possessive noun is wagon, and the apostrophe goes before the S because there is only one wagon. Number 7. The twins' outfits were adorable. Please pause the video at this time and insert the apostrophe in the correct possessive noun. In this case, the possessive noun is twins, and the apostrophe goes after the S because there are more than one twin. And number 8, the puppy's tail was wagging. Please pause the video at this time and identify the possessive noun and insert its apostrophe. The correct answer is the possessive noun is puppy. The apostrophe goes before the S because there is only one puppy that is wagging his tail. Thank you all for viewing my video today. I hope you guys learned what a singular possessive noun is and a plural possessive noun is. Please be ready to share how you did on the test portion. Have a great day, guys, and I look forward to seeing you all in class.